Okay, today we're gonna be eating lunch. I'm so hungry because today we have like a full load of editing to do because we're gonna be trying out DaVinci Resolve today. So I'm so low-key excited. Gotta import the footages I have on my camera right now onto my MacBook. It was a long minute. I was going through short form to long form content. It was just a lot. And now my camera's gonna die, so I also gotta charge it too. It's just a lot. But this is the makeup look today. It's a giving cutesy. I was like, this look is not giving. It's not giving. Like Loki was getting a little insecure. But you know what? I'm like, you know what? Loki, I could feel it. I Loki like it. But I love coming here whenever I'm craving like soup dumplings. I know like a week ago I was craving soup dumplings so bad. So I had went early because I woke up super early. I was like, I'm craving soup dumplings. It was like around 9 a.m. in the morning. They don't open until like around 11. And it was like, what do I expect? Okay, let me show you what I got. Cucumber salad, pork and shrimp dumplings. Oh, I can't wait for that. Nice. Literally, I was only just gonna get the pork and shrimp dumplings. By seeing the cucumber salad, I was like, I need to get the cucumber salad. And knowing myself, I get foods way too easily. So if I see something that I've tried before or that looks entertaining, I'm like, I need to get that. I need to buy that. Or I need to get that right now. I need to get it. I need it. Oh, y'all, there's cheesecake. Okay, we're gonna be trying out the cheesecake. I'm so excited. It's strawberry cheesecake. I've never had strawberry cheesecake before. Cheers, baddies! I love cheesecake so much, y'all. We're planning to, or at least put some clips down for my video that I'm editing, and I'm gonna do some content planning. Update. I am so tired, y'all. Like, I've been editing for a hot minute. Or like what? Let me see where exactly we're at with the video. I'm hoping this video is at least past the 6-minute threshold. That's my goal. Yeah, who knew working was so hard? We finished editing the video. It's giving cutesy. What we learned from DaVinci Resolve is that it's literally like CapCut and Sony Vegas combined. Yeah, it's so easy. Oh my god. I was out here thinking it was so hard, but it was actually kind of low-key easy. I don't have any experience with much more of the tabs, so low-key I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous with editing with it. But that's okay. It is what it is because hotties learn, hotties grow, and hotties stay on top of their stuff. That's what the move is, y'all. That's what 2025 is. We just finished the errand right now, so now we're on our way to go to Ulta because we need to pick up some brushes. I'm trying to think, like, look how cute that would look to go under eye. This is where we were looking for. Period. And I'm such an elf girly. I love elf. I will always defend elf because elf is just, it just radiates that girly energy, y'all. So we got what we need. I'm looking around if I want to go look for some other items, but I feel like I shouldn't because that's gonna be a bad decision on myself. See, I needed to keep it simple. And then tell me why, when I was in the middle of the purchase too, work was like, oh, can anyone come in tomorrow from X, Y, and Z to X, Y, and Z? And I also work tomorrow, so I'm like, well, I can't come in because I already work. So I don't think they could adjust my hours for that. You know, it's also funny. Hopefully my camera doesn't fall. Or not. Okay. Someone had asked if they were asking something. I didn't work there. Like, maybe because like my mug was too good and I literally looked like one of the workers with a black top. But I was like, oh no, I don't I don't work here. They were asking like, oh, what's a great product? I was like, oh, I don't work here. It was funny. It was a nice interaction because I think it was just so adorable. It was cute. But no, I was like, no, I don't work here. Also, low-key, can we take a moment to appreciate the mug? Like, low-key, I beat the fuck out of my face for real. Hi, hotties. We showered, cleaned our face. Now we're getting ready to do laundry because we do work tomorrow at the crack of dawn, which is 7 a.m. tomorrow. I just got home and I want to show you what I got for PR. So right here, my mom had opened because she thought it was her package, but it was mine. Whoa, this one looks so fancy. These, I can't wait. I know that both of these, I've been uploading a lot of short form UGC type of content. So I don't think they're gonna think like, oh yeah, like they were sponsored by this. Like, no. They won't know. So
You have nice bike, huh?
today we're gonna go eat some curry today.
Good curry.
Goat curry. This is the food, y'all. They're yummy. Okay, bye, y'all. I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.